Hi everyone, welcome back to Sarah Tastic. I'm Sarah from Sarah Tastic. How you all? Hope you all are doing well. I have many requests from my subscribers and friends. They need my voice in my videos. So I have started to give my voice.
Yeah, nice.
Good, right? Okay, come.
Good salt, not too much salty, and very nice. Perfect. Mashallah, really. Seems like restaurant.
This is my first try, so I feel little nervous. In today's video, I am going to show you my sister's birthday celebration. I make some food for birthday celebration. First, I am going to show you pudding recipe. I'm going to use evaporated milk with condensed milk for this recipe. Taste is so good when we use these ingredients. I have taken 6 spoon custard powder, add water to mix it. Mix well without lumps. I have taken 4 evaporated tin milk. Into the boiling milk, add some sugar. Custard powder mixture. Finally, add condensed milk. Keep stir until thickened with very low flame. Garnish with cashew nuts and some raisins. Let it cool and keep in the refrigerator. Next recipe is chicken biryani. Let's begin now. I have taken 2 whole chicken, 1 for biryani, 1 for full chicken fry. I have already posted full chicken fry in my Eid vlog. Please check it out. Clean the chicken first. Cut the chicken into small pieces because when the biryani is cooked, the meat has to be nice and juicy. Into the hot pan, add some oil, bay leaves, star anise and cloves, cardamom, cinnamon. Add some ginger and garlic. Green chilies, curry leaves. Add some coriander and mint leaves. Sliced onion. Saute well until golden brown. Salt. One tablespoon turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon cumin powder, 1 tablespoon pepper powder and some chicken masala. Mix it well everything. Cook it for 5 minutes. After add some tomatoes. Three tablespoons homemade Sri Lankan chili powder. Will show you this recipe in my another video. Curd 1 cup. Finally add chicken pieces. You can also chicken or mutton, whatever, it's up to you. Cook it for 10 minutes. After add washed rice. Enough water. Let it cook for 30 minutes with very low flame. Biryani is ready. Time for packing. Full chicken fry and garnish with some vegetables. Cover with aluminium foil. Finally, I reached their working place. Busy time. My daughter puts nail polish on her nails. I do not allow to put it on, but once I allowed because she loved it so much. Time to eat.
Wow.
They're having fun on lunchtime and enjoy the food. I am so happy because I got good comments from them. This is gulab jamun. Will show you in my next video. Okay guys, thank you for watching. Stay tuned for my upcoming videos. Until then, bye, take care.